Make a highly engaging and entertaining YouTube video about how to earn $1,000 a day as a complete beginner in 2025 by following this step-by-step guide to using DeepSeek. This is based on proven strategies from 2025. Start with AI-generated content for YouTube or social media. Use DeepSeek to create scripts and pair them with AI-generated video avatars like HeyGen to produce engaging videos. Focus on trending niches like tech reviews, personal finance, or lifestyle hacks. Upload videos to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. A single YouTube video can earn $20 to $30 a day once it gains traction. Scaling to 30 to 50 videos could push earnings into the $1,000 a day range. Combine SEO-optimized blog posts also generated by DeepSeek to drive traffic from Google and YouTube simultaneously for dual exposure. Build AI-powered niche websites. Use DeepSeek to generate SEO-friendly content for a niche like home workouts or AI tools. Optimize keywords using DeepSeek's trend analysis tools. Monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate links such as Amazon Associates or sponsored posts. Case studies show AI-generated websites earning $21,000 or more through ads and affiliate marketing. Focus on low-competition, high-demand niches identified by DeepSeek's market research. Affiliate marketing and freelance services. Affiliate marketing with Pinterest and DeepSeek automation. Use DeepSeek to identify high-paying affiliate products, for example. ClickBank offers 75% commissions. Create viral Pinterest pins with designs and captions automated via DeepSeek, targeting audiences interested in products like luxury silk pillowcases or fitness gear. For instance, 24 sales per week of a $42 product equals $1,008 per week. DeepSeek generates pin ideas, schedules posts, and optimizes hashtags to reduce manual work. Selling AI-driven freelance services. Sell AI-driven freelance services. Offer services like content writing for blogs, scripts, and social media posts, AI chatbots for businesses, and SEO audits or marketing automation setups. Charge $200 to $500 per project. Scaling to 5 to 10 clients per day can hit $1,000. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients, leveraging DeepSeek to deliver work faster. Digital products and scaling tips. Creating and selling digital products. Create and sell digital products. Examples include ebooks using DeepSeek to write niche ebooks like AI Side Hustles 2025 and selling them on Amazon Kindle for $10 to $20 per book. Canva templates can be generated for social media or resume designs using DeepSeek's creative prompts and sold on Etsy or Gumroad. Selling 500 templates per month at $5 each equals $2,500 per month. Key tips for scaling. Key tips for scaling to $1,000 per day. Automate workflows using DeepSeek to batch create content, schedule posts, and analyze performance. Reinvest profits by upgrading to DeepSeek Pro, which costs $49 to $99 per month, for advanced features like premium templates and unlimited usage. Diversify income streams by combining YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and freelance services to reduce reliance on one source. Realistic timeline and resources. Realistic timeline. Beginners can start earning $20 to $100 per day within 1 to 2 weeks by freelancing or selling templates. Advanced users can reach $300 to $1,000 per day by scaling automated systems, such as 50 or more YouTube videos, and 10 or more affiliate campaigns. Additional resources. For more details, explore the DeepSeek monetization case studies or Pinterest affiliate strategies.